Hello friends, we are discussing the question and answers of the poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, written by Samuel Tyler Coleridge. Now let's start. Question number first. Describe the weather condition in the beginning of the poem. Answer is, the sun was pleasant and sunny in the beginning of the poem. The sun rose upon the right as if it appears came out of the sea. The south wind was also good and the fair breeze was still blowing behind them. So number 2. How did the other crew members behave with the ancient mariner? How many times did they change their mind? Answer. In the first part, when ancient mariner killed the albatross with his crossbow, all crew members said that he had done a wrong thing after killing the albatross, but when the weather improved they all said that he had done right thing by killing the bird. Finally, when the ship stopped at one place and stopped moving, they said ancient mariner had committed a hellish crime by killing the bird. Thus we can say that all crew members changes their mind 3 times. Question number 3. How does the speaker convey that the weather was very hot and sultry? And answer is, the speaker conveyed that the sun was shining overhead and it was very hot. There was no breeze and the ship was stuck in the middle of the sea. The sailors had no water to drink. The weather was too hot and sultry that the sailors could not speak single a word. Their throats were choked with soot. The sailors were unable to breathe. Question number 4. How does the mariner describe that they were motionless and stranded in the middle of the ocean? Answer. The ancient mariner narrates that day after day the weather became very hot. There were no air to breathe and to motion. The mariner with his crew members were stuck in the middle of the ocean. The ship could not move forward and backward. It was motionless and stranded in the middle of the ocean like a painted ship. Question number 5. Describe the significance of repeating the word water in the line water, water everywhere. What does it convey? Answer is, water, water everywhere. The sailors are punished for the ancient mariners' mistake with deprivation made worse by the fact what they need so badly. Water is all around them but is entirely undrinkable. Here, water word is repeated that conveys it is most important thing to being alive, but the ancient mariner and his crew members were punished for being thirsty, though they had water and water all around of them. So number 6. Which spirit had plagued the mariners? Where did it come from? The spirit of dead albatross had plagued the mariners. It had come from 9 fathom deep from the land of mist and snow. Question number 7. Describe the ordeal faced by the mariners. What was the reason for their suffering? Answer is, the mariners were stuck in the middle of the ocean and it was an ordeal faced by them. There were no breeze to breathe and motion. The ship was stuck as a painted ship in the middle of the ocean, though they had water all around of them, but it was their bad luck that water was undrinkable. Their throats were choked and they were unable to speak a single word. The reason for their suffering was that the ancient mariner had killed the albatross. Question number 8. Why did the mariners hang the carcass of the albatross around the mariner's neck? Answer is, the mariners hung the carcass of the albatross around the mariner's neck in order to remind him of the ghastly deed he had committed by killing the innocent bird and the reason for their suffering. And I hope you understand all questions, and we will meet in my next video. So bye bye. Thank you.